So once you've been shared folders of resources, you might want to look at how you can add things to them, how you can find them. So I'm just going to use my business example. So if I go shared with me, down this list somewhere, there's this biz and econ folder. Best way to do this is to star it, and it will come under, if you go back to my starred list, it will come back in here, which is the best way to find things you regularly need. So my biz and econs, navigate my folders. What's quite nice is this little crumb trail at the top, which kind of shows you where you are. And if I want to add some documents to this, I've come to these folders, and I can click on this worksheets, and when I click on this upload button here, it will put whatever I do into this folder. So I can click on upload, grab files, and come into my personal documents. So you've got lots of folders. So I want to grab these two worksheets. I can always press spacebar and just see what they are, just to remind myself they're the two things that I wanted. So press command and I can grab two of them at once. Press open. And this is a little warning, it's just saying that you're sharing into a folder that's already shared, which is perfect, because I want my other staff members to see. And this is a little warning, you really don't want to convert text from PDFs, or you don't want to convert documents into Google Docs unless that's what you want to do. Just press start upload and it just grabs both of them, and it plonks them straight into those folders. And it's just uploading and finishing now. So that's how you do it on the internet. So that's into this thing called shared with me. I've come down to folders which I've starred. If I star a folder, it's always available under this thing called starred. And I can click on this and click on add folders this way. Alternatively, if you've added the folder to your drive, which as we talked about before, you've clicked here and then, under shared with me, you've clicked on something and you've chosen to add to my drive, then you've got this other option. You can then work, remember it's synchronizing from the application at the top, and it's pulled down those documents to Finder into my Google Drive. I have the same folder here. So if I'm working away on a Word document, I can just go File, Save, and drop it into here. I can also just drag documents too. I can drag this. I can always drag this and push it up into one of these other folders. And then, because it's got the person icon, it means that any other person can see what's been added to those folders as soon as this app begins to synchronize the changes. Just one thing to remember is on my laptop, not all of these folders are shared. These ones are all private to me. Ones with the person icon are ones that are either I'm sharing it with other people or they've been shared with me and then I've added them to my drive.